guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So today we are back with another wig install, and for today's video we'll be working with ISEE HAIR. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and tap that button and let's move right along to the video. So the unit we're installing today is their 9x6 wear and go wig, and let's be real, this is the largest lace you'll ever get with a pre-cut ready to wear unit. This is it. It doesn't get any bigger than this. This is the largest lace you'll ever get. So this is their 9x6 HD lace wig. This one's already pre-cut, already pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Everything's done to the unit before we got it, and this is what it's looking like. As you can see, we have the adjustable band attached, we have the combs, and I honestly love when I get a comb in the back, and this one is actually removable. So if you don't want the comb, this is optional. You can go ahead and take it out. But I feel like me personally, I love having a comb in the back of my units. So that'll be staying super soft. I love the texture of it. I love my silky straight units. I honestly just love this unit already. I'll be leaving the link down below. If you guys want to purchase, make sure you click that link. Check out ISEE HAIR and check out their units. I love this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So this is the unit. Literally, I'm in love with this unit. That's it. I love the unit. Look at how it's looking, and all I did was to put the unit on my head. It is given. I love this unit. It is glueless. I didn't add anything to the lace, and it's given me a flawless look already. So let's go ahead and finish up my unit. Guys, so this is the final look. This is it. The unit is super soft, very silky, and it gives us a really flawless finish. It's 100% glueless. I didn't even apply anything to the hairline. This is it, like straight out the box install. I love it. It's definitely a 10 for me. Like, the unit is just flawless and pretty. I love everything about this unit. Again, this unit is from ISEE HAIR. This is their 9x6 HD lace wig, and these are some super tiny knots. Like, they just blend into the skin as if it's my own scalp. Like, the wig is like, it's given. This is my new go-to straight unit. Like, I love it. The cap fits so good on my head. I love how this turned out. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. So if you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments, let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.